Another thing that has changed over the years has been the growth and importance of a whole new area of concern: cyberbullying. Because as we all know, social media is such a massive part of the young people's lives now. In addition, the changes to the PSHE legislation means that now cyberbullying has got to be a compulsory lesson subject. Tragically, we've had numerous young people commit suicide across Devon. This is due to being bullied online, which is why we've developed workshops and strategies to help young people safeguard themselves. We discuss all social media platforms, what kind of content and privacy settings that are appropriate, and of course, how you leave a digital footprint, which employers can always see in the future. Again, we wanted to weave in real life stories, and I'm really excited to be able to tell you about something brand new that we're just about to launch, which will help young people better understand and deal with cyberbullying. Current Miss Devon, Clara George, has joined our team to co-present a new cyberbullying workshop. Clara has over 180,000 Instagram followers, but unfortunately she's been a victim of cyberbullying since the age of 15. So she feels extremely strongly about this subject. She really wants to empower young people to learn from her experiences. Clara will share her strategies and learnings on how to overcome these bullies. In addition, we're building a focus group and a private Facebook group where young people can share their stories and get structured advice on what to do. We want to eradicate suicide amongst our young people. We must put a stop to this. From running this workshop, the extra lessons would include security settings, dark web, how to close your accounts, and of course, most importantly, strategies for dealing with bullying.